Hello all and welcome to Wow Crochet Designs. My name is Mary and today I'm coming to you with the winners of the Woolly Bargain Bag Sheep Show Surprise. Or should I say Woolly Bargain Bag Sheep Show Surprise. Now for those of you who didn't know this, it's been 2 weeks already. 2 weeks ago we had the Australian Sheep Show here not here, we had it at Bendigo and I had to drive to Bendigo and it was great, but I had a stall there and I was so excited to have my stall there that I didn't get enough time to purchase some gear for myself. But I did have plenty of time to purchase some gear for this particular surprise. Now, if you're joining us new, I'm sorry, you've missed the boat today. However, don't stress because we have a lot of these bargain bag surprises, or when I say bargain bag, this is a real bargain because you are getting pure wool, pure wool, and not your cheap stuff, right? So just heads up on that one. But if you're joining us new, we do have these surprises more often than not. Hence, I am supposed to say something that today week is first Thursday of the month, and first Thursday of the month I usually do a video which involves what's happening in the past month, in this month, and probably what's happening next month. But this first Thursday coming very soon is going to be a little different because there may be something else there. There may be something to something else. There may be three. Oh my gosh, I've been working very hard. There are going to be 3 different unusual things happening on our first Thursday of the month next week. So if you're joining us new, make sure you subscribe because only subscribers can enter these fantastic surprises. So anyway, let's not talk anymore. Let's just talk quickly about the actual show itself. We did a stall at the show and we were there to promote our packs as well, and the 3 packs that I was there promoting, and a lot of our regular subscribers would already know that, but if you're joining us new, one of them was, let me show you the item first. It was a market bag. It's called the French market bag. I just dropped something, but don't tell anyone. And it looks something like this. How gorgeous is that? What? And that one there as well. Now this one is the small version and this one is the large version. On the pattern you get a choice of your small and large, but let me tell you a little something about this small, right? Let me tell you a little. The amount of gear I got into this little tiny small bag was pretty big. A good 7 or 8 centimeters short, longer than the other one. So you have a choice of creating either one. Now, best part about this is you can either purchase the ready-mades. What? You can purchase the packs, and inside the packs you have your hook, your scissors, your sewing needle, your pattern for both sizes, and the yarn. You have everything. Oh, plus in these packs here you have a free stitch marker which was donated to us by 2 of our subscribers. Not all the packs sold at the show, so I have plenty on the website for you. Not yet because it's not on yet. I'm going to click the button at the end of this video. So don't go looking for it right now. It won't be there. It might be by the time I get this video up. Anyway, that's one pack. And the other one, the other 2 I should say, is our normal coaster that we made on the channel here. But I'm selling it as a pack with the pattern, the hook, the scissors, the sewing needle. And I'm also selling it separately. Oh, by the way, I don't know if I mentioned, you can also purchase the pattern separately on the website as well. Everything you see here, you can purchase the pattern separately. If you don't want to purchase the whole kit, you can actually just purchase the pattern. We have 3 options today: the product, the pattern, or the packs. 3 options. The best part, guys, is, and let me show you these 2 options here so you can see them. The best part with these 2 is that you get a choice of your Morris & Sons yarn, cotton, your hobby cotton, or this new stuff that I had recently, which is from our Lincraft store. It's the organic cotton. So you have a choice of purchasing which one you like. Now, when you do purchase those, make sure you put a little comment in the comment section saying, I want da-da-da-da. There's no such colour as da-da-da-da, but I'm sure you know what I mean. All right, so I'll have them all up on the website at the end of this video, not right now. Because now what we're going to do, very exciting, is do our surprise. But before we do, I just want to mention, if you are a winner today, and I'll mention it at the end of the video as well, if you are a winner today, never ever click on a link that is in the comment section saying you won, you won. Never click on those links. I do not do that. Okay, you need to follow the instructions at the end of this video. Okay, so if you are a winner, make sure you follow those instructions. Yeah, you know what, I'll tell you now the instructions so you know. You need to contact me either on Facebook Messenger or on Instagram Messenger or through our website. There's a little button you can press and you can send me a comment or a message as well. All right, so you can contact me any way you like, but I will never say to you, click on this link and leave details. I will never do that, okay? Just heads up, because we've got a few people doing that recently on the channels all over YouTube and everywhere else as well, and saying click on the link, never click on the link in comment sections, okay? If I have not contacted you, then I won't. You need to contact me when you are a winner, yeah? All right, so thank you very much for watching, guys. I'm not going to talk anymore. I'm just going to let you get started watching and finding out who the winners... Oh, wait a minute, I will say one thing. The usual random picker thing is not working for me, so I found another one. It's still a YouTube one, which is good. It's not YouTube itself, but it's a part, it says it's part of YouTube, so I can use that one, which we ended up using because the other one just wasn't working. In fact, all of them weren't working, so it might mean that you kind of have to sign up now to get these things to work. They were free before but they're not working anymore. It says something about your link is broken, this and that, but when I use it on this one, the link wasn't broken, so I don't know. And that's it, guys. I'm not going to talk anymore. I'm going to let you head over to the workstation and check out our winners for today. Ta-da! I'm trying to fit it all in, guys, but this is for first prize. Yay, very exciting. And as you can see, you have our market bag pack, the hook, lots of buttons here, and especially my favorite, the cat button. And you also have 2 love hearts free from us, and of course the yarn from Max Maximu, the books from the gorgeous, well, book I should say, from the gorgeous Shelley husband. And yes, this is first prize, but you know what, that's not all. You'll have this guy, which obviously won't be empty. It won't be empty, I promise. That is first prize, guys. Yay, very exciting. Oh, alrighty, guys, sorry. That's the time of the day. Oh, I'm running late, 10:23. It's supposed to have been done at 10, and I do apologise. But there you go. We're coming down here to get our shareable link, like so. And, oh, pretty as a peacock blanket. Don't want to get so sidetracked. All right, here we go. I did this before with a video that had 2 comments. It was hilarious. Imagine if we only had 2 comments. How many do we have? I hear you ask. We have... Oh, here we go. 44 comments. And the winner of first prize goes to Rachel Burton. And Rachel says, love the book Nemu, or Nemu, I can't remember how it's pronounced, by Sally Husbands. Saw a lot of what you bought at the show. Rachel, you are our first prize winner. Congratulations, Rachel. Yay, that's our first prize winner. Let's get on with prize number 2. Ta-da! Here is prize number 2, and you have the sheep bag, the gorgeous shawl pin, the beret for the gentleman in your life, which I would probably wear as well, but don't tell anyone. You have your beautiful, gorgeous divine yarn, your bar, sheep soap, 2 of our fridge magnets, and of course, you also get a packet of our very yummy, yummy, yummy Tim Tams. Yummy! And that is prize 2. Alrighty, so I've refreshed the page. I'm going to pop that link straight back in there again. Press fetch. Should be 44. Oh, let's try that again. Should be 44 comments like before. And there is. So we're ready to pick the winner for prize number 2. And that is the lovely Raylene. And she has mentioned that she likes the Maximu yarns, and actually so do I, Raylene. Congratulations, you are the winner of prize number 2. Yay! Yay! Congratulations, Raylene. That was for prize number 2. I nearly said 3 there. Number 2. Let's get on. I'm not going to edit this. Let's get on with prize number 3. Ta-da! And here we go for prize number 3. You have the bag from Sam. You have your hot bag there for the nice warm hands. You have our 2 fridge magnets and the gorgeous chick and the beautiful yarn from Tom from Tarndi Farm. Let's not forget the Tim Tams. And don't forget, guys, every bit of yarn you see today is pure gorgeous wool. Some superfine merino and some gorgeous wool. This stuff here is from the Polworth sheep, and it is the only yarn that I do not break out. I should say wool that I do not break out in a rash with. So there you go, guys. That is prize number 3. Alrighty, guys, we are here for our last prize. This is getting very sad for me. You know, I get really sad at the end of a giveaway, guys. You're going to have to, boost me up tomorrow on our live. All right, hang on, that didn't work. Let's try. Oh, here we go. Oh, the computer's slow today. And the winner for our final prize is, ta-da, Stephanie Wilson. And Stephanie says, great to meet you at the show. My favourite item was your French market bag kit. Thank you, Stephanie. You are our 3rd prize winner. Congratulations to all our winners. Yay! The lovely Stephanie, congratulations on your win today as well. Guys, I don't know what to say. And as I mentioned before, I do get a little sad at the end of, I don't know, the prizes and everything. I get a little sad. And you know what, guys? We have lives 10 a.m. Saturday morning, Melbourne, Australia time, and Wednesday 4 p.m. Melbourne, Australia time. No, I am very excited for the winners, and I congratulate everyone on their winnings today. But you know what, guys? Once again, none of this would have happened if it wasn't for you. And everyone has pitched in one way or another, and I really thank you very much for everything that you do for us on our channel here at Wow Crochet Designs. And because I had such a big response to all this, I decided there might be a tiny little surprise on Thursday week coming. She can't stop, can she? She just doesn't stop. She doesn't stop talking, she doesn't stop eating, she doesn't stop doing surprises. It's just like it's ongoing. So we had a really big one for this one, but there is another one happening on Thursday week. Now, I wasn't going to mention that at all. I was going to bring that up tomorrow on our live, but it's a part of a launch of a pattern anyway. Oh, she doesn't stop. She doesn't stop, guys. Before we go, guys. Oh, wow, that was loud. This bag, pack, and this pack, and this pack. As of now, this very second, hang on, let me click the button, is done. You can now head over to our website and purchase any one of those kits as a kit item, as an item already made, or you can just purchase the pattern on its own. In the meantime, guys, I will see everyone on our live tomorrow morning. And I want to thank everyone who was a part of the Woolly Bargain Bag Sheep Show surprise, because without your support, it never would have happened. Thank you so much for joining us. And here's my favourite of the day. And keep your eyes peeled. Something may happen with this. She can't keep a secret. Bye all. Ciao for now. Using PMing at PMing me. PMing me. You try to say that fast 10 times. PMing me at Facebook is our normal little doily. It's not a doily. Let's try coaster. Coaster giveaway. Oh, let's try that again. And I want to thank everyone who was a part of the bargain. Oh my gosh, what is the name of this thing? What is it? The Woolly Bargain Bag Sheep Show Supply. I can do this. Congratulations once again to our winners. Don't forget to contact me via Messenger, on Instagram, or on Facebook, or on our website at www.wowcrochetdesigns. Let's try it again. Oh my gosh, you have one sentence. One. She has one sentence. Do you think I can get it out? 3, 2, and 1. Congratulations once again to our winners. Don't forget to oh my gosh. Forget? What's a forget? Keep your eyes peeled. Make sure you subscribe the button. Make sure you hit your subscribe button. Click receive all comments. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Oh my gosh. Can't even get it right. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Click receive all videos or all comments. Oh, what's it called? Or notifications. Can't get it right. Make sure you click that surprise button. Surprise button. Let's try it again. Oh my gosh. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Click, what am I saying? Oh my gosh, my brain. I'm a mental blank. Hello, anyone in there today? There's no one there. It's just empty. It's empty. Subscribe button. What am I thinking? Subscribe button. All notifications. What a brain. What a brain. All right. Let's try it again. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Oh my gosh, I have one line. I can't get it out. Okay. Make sure you click that subscribe button to get, oh my gosh, one line. One simple line. I can do this. Make sure you click that subscribe button and click the bell to get all notifications.